The major advantage to approaching leadership development as a science is that it achieves a clear, structured, and reliable process. This method is perceived as being the safest because it is the best approach to maintain control, predictability, and reliability. Some of the disadvantages with this approach are that it is very limited and bound by the current paradigm that an organization may have. In environments that are constantly changing, this approach will have difficulty keeping up and being sustainable. Now at this point you may be wondering, well, these sound like two completely different approaches. Which should we use? Our recommendation is generally to use an integrated perspective where one keeps both of these in mind and draws from each as the situation calls. With that being said, situation is an important factor to consider. It's great that you want to develop mid-level managers into leaders. However, I recommend allocating your resources wisely rather than developing all your mid-level managers. Upper management must determine in which area of the company leaders would be valuable, perhaps with a specific product line, perhaps with a specific marketing group, or perhaps a specific geographical region of the company. You must assess the business situation in addition to assessing the individuals. To elaborate some more on individual assessments, the Thomas Kilmann and the DISC are good ways to determine individuals' conflict styles, and the Myers-Briggs will add valuable information to your developmental program as well. But I recommend assessing consecutive managers along certain information pipelines rather than just one specific candidate. This, in addition to a 360-degree feedback of potential candidates, will paint a picture in determining the type of situation and possible barriers that the mid-level managers may face when developing into more of a leadership role. Finally, it is important to trust your group of employees and to recognize each other's strengths, weaknesses, and tendencies. By using more of a collaborative approach, the organization will be able to utilize its human resource. Now David is going to give some more in-depth analysis.